I believe the general AI problem has been solved and Genifer is my model. Genifer is best explained with reference to prologue. Remember prologue? Prologue belongs to the declarative paradigm, where a user can ask queries and it automatically finds answers to the queries. For example, you tell prologue who is whose father. And this statement defines the meaning of grandfather. Then, when you ask this query, is John Paul's grandfather? Prologue will answer yes. A murder mystery is commonly regarded as a problem that requires general intelligence. So, if we render the facts about the murder as logical formulas, and store them in the knowledge base, and also render common sense knowledge as logical formulas, then perhaps prologue will be able to solve murder mysteries? Let's review the basics of prologue. This is a typical rule in prologue: B and C and D, etc., implies A. And this is the graphical representation of the same rule. You can imagine that rules expressed in this way are very efficient for deduction. Prologue searches for answer using a proof tree. It starts from the goal and sees if any rule can apply to it. This here is our rule in the previous slide. So prologue keeps applying possible rules to build the search tree. Of course, prologue is inadequate for general intelligence. Genifer enhances prologue in the following ways. First, in prologue everything is in binary logic. Real-world knowledge, on the other hand, is full of uncertainty. So, we use fuzzy probabilistic logic to model uncertainty. For example, if John is kind of tall but not extremely tall, it could be represented by this fuzzy probability distribution. Genifer also employs Bayesian networks to calculate probabilities. One cool thing is that the prologue proof tree is graphically exactly the same as a Bayesian network. So we can simply propagate probabilistic beliefs along these nodes and links. Also, prologue only uses depth first search. We can replace it with best first search. So it will search non-deterministically in these areas. Human thinking also has more variations. The study of classical AI has revealed to us that all modes of human thinking can be covered by three main mechanisms. Deduction is about what follows from what. Abduction is in the reverse direction. Induction is an inventive learning process. Forward chaining is a kind of deduction, where we start with the known facts and try to deduce new facts. The goal may be one of the new facts, and if so, we succeed in proving it. Backward chaining is also deductive, but now we start from the goal and search backwards to see if the goal can be deduced from known facts. So, forward and backward chaining are just ways of searching. In abduction, we are given an effect and try to guess what is its cause. Finally, in induction, we are given a number of examples, and we invent some new hypotheses that may deduce the examples. If the hypotheses are good at explaining all the examples, we keep them in the KB. One more thing that Genifer must add to prologue is higher-order logic. For example, when we say Napoleon has all the qualities of a great general, we can express this with the formula: if property P applies to a great general, then P applies to Napoleon as well. Such a formula is second order. As you can imagine, higher-order logic gives us the power to express highly abstract rules. And this gives Genifer the power to reason about anything that can be conceptualized. Even better, inference can be performed distributively over the internet. And that's it. I hope this gives a general idea of Genifer. More videos will be made to explain the details. See ya!